and welcome to Kate's Coaching Corner, where every single week I bring you tips, highlights, and a challenge moving forward. So this week, my tip is about one of the formative strategies that was discussed at the Lunch and Learn this week, and it's about Pear Deck Flashcard Factory. And it's one of my favorites. If you head to Pear Deck, you'll see this little hidden gem, and basically all you have to do as a teacher is write in a bunch of terms or concepts that you want students to engage with, and it will automatically match students up with a partner. One student draws and one student writes, and once they do that collaboratively, then it will make one beautiful flashcard with both of those together. Then as a teacher, you accept or reject those cards and then send them off to the factory. So the ones that get accepted, what I love is that you can export those to a Quizlet flashcard set so students can then continue to practice on their own, which I think is an awesome tool. So it's great as we head into this crazy review week. It's a great tool to try, even if it's for the first time. Next, I want to highlight all of the amazing teachers that took time out of their crazy schedules to spend some time together to learn something new and to play with some new tools and strategies. I have to tell you, Vicki, Amy, and I were on cloud 9 all day yesterday because of your energy and your willingness to try something new and just your excitement to learn some of these new strategies. I cannot tell you how much we all appreciate you taking the time out to spend some time together. It was the highlight of my week by far. Lastly, I want to challenge everyone during this week of crazy review coming up. It's a great opportunity to get your name up on the pineapple chart so we can see how people are reviewing in different ways. It could be no tech, it could be low tech, it could be some tech, whatever you want. I would love to come into people's classes and maybe play some of those games together or participate in some of the different review activities you guys are doing. So it's a great opportunity to get in on this very, very short month for that last pineapple chart raffle, and I think it'll be a good one. Thank you so much. We're almost there, everyone. It's almost winter break, and if you need anything, I hope you know where to find me. Talk to you soon. Bye.